In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add chat on ClickUp Workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find chat in ClickUp, what it's for, and how to use it effectively with your team. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp and press Enter. From the results, open the official ClickUp website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your workspace so you're taken into the app view rather than the marketing site. Once you're in the ClickUp app, look to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll to the lower left and click the More option. This expands additional tools that aren't shown by default, which is where chat lives. From that expanded list, select Chat. This opens the built-in messaging area inside your workspace and is the simplest way to bring conversations directly into your ClickUp environment without juggling external chat apps. Here's why this is useful. ClickUp Chat is designed for real-time communication right where work happens. Because it sits next to your tasks, lists, and projects, discussions stay contextual. Instead of screenshots and links scattered across different tools, your messages, references, and decisions live alongside the work they affect. That means fewer lost threads and faster follow-up. Using chat is straightforward. Start by typing plain text messages to get the conversation going. When you need someone's attention, use the @ symbol followed by a teammate's name to mention them. This sends a notification and makes it clear who needs to respond, which helps avoid stalled conversations. If you paste a ClickUp task link, it will automatically generate a preview so everyone can see key details at a glance and jump in quickly. You can also react with emojis to acknowledge updates without adding extra noise. This is handy for quick approvals or status checks. And to keep busier chats tidy, reply in threads. Threads group related replies under a single message, so you can update a specific topic without interrupting the main flow. A good habit is to start a thread for each distinct topic or decision, which makes it easy to review later. That's the entire flow. Open Google, search for ClickUp, go to the ClickUp app, click More in the lower left, and choose Chat. From there, communicate in real time. Mention teammates when needed, paste task links for instant previews, react with emojis, and organize discussions with threads. With chat in ClickUp, your team can collaborate faster and keep everything connected to the work that matters.